Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a nice little beginner ballet warm-up. So you won't be going on point, so you just need some ballet flap shoes. These are really good. So if you like my age, check out my TikTok and you can find out some information about me. Beginners are probably good to start off flat foot. So we are going to do a beginner stretch. So go ahead and get on your ballet shoes, or if you don't have ballet shoes, socks are good. Just make sure that they are good and make sure that your floor isn't too hard, and my floor is nice, so I need one. I'm just going to show a little preview of what will be happening today. And yeah, that's it. Let's get on started. I want to make sure that no one has any broken bones or anything before we get started. And there will be water breaks. Your first step going to start in first position. Of course, I will model it for you. This is what first position looks like. So this, you're going to start in parallel, and then you're going to each time go out your legs, and it's almost like you're a penguin. Now you're going to go plie and stretch, and your hands are going to come right like this. So you're almost like, let's say you're holding a beach ball. So it's like this. I know you can't see me, but it's like going to be like that. And now you're going to go. Put your hands however you like. You're going to put them on hips for now, and then you're going to go plie and stretch. So this is called a demi-plie. Demi is just a little word for it. Demi-plie and stretch. Demi-plie and stretch. Now we are going to do, out of my dog, we're going to go to a grand plie and stretch. So that's what we're going to do. Ready? 5, 7, and we're going to go plie, stretch. Make sure that your heels are kissing. And the feet are apart. If you want, you can draw dots on your ballet shoes, and you can see them, and like, if you have like a mirror, or like, make sure that they're facing. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Plie, stretch. Plie and stretch. Grand plie and stretch. Now we're going to be coming into second. So how to go into second? You're going to take this foot, and then you're going to bring it over here. And then now you're going to go plie and stretch. And the grand plie might be a little bit tricky, which is this. But if that's too tricky, you can just do this. So now you're going to move it up. And it's like almost like you're in a pizza, basically. Go. Plie, demi-plie and stretch. Demi-plie and stretch. Now you're going to go grand plie only if you can. And now we're going to take this foot and then over here. This is called third position. Plie, stretch, plie and stretch. We're not going to do a grand plie because it's a little bit tricky, but we are going to go susu. This is susu. Put both of your feet up together. If you want something to hold on, go for it. So it's basically like this. And make sure it's really smooth. So we're going to go plie We're gonna do 3 plies, and then we're gonna go susu, and then we're gonna hold. You feel free to hold on to something. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Plie. So 1, 2, and up. Right around, we're gonna come up, and then we're gonna hold it. I know it's like a little bit tricky, but you want to spot something. So I'm gonna spot my TV, and that's gonna help me stay focused. Like you want to stare at something that is not moving. Because let's say I'm not staring at it. So instead, you want to stare at something. See how I'm staring at something? You can't see that, but I'm staring at something. And down. And now we're going to be coming into 5th position, where this leg turns out. It's like, well, 4th position. I'm sorry. Like this, and then you're gonna go plie, and this foot like this. Plie and stretch. Plie and stretch. Up and down. And now we're going to hold releve here, which is releve by the way. Releve, by the way, is this. This is releve if you don't know. Okay, let's go back into our position. And we're going to go releve and down. Releve and down. And we're going to hold that for 5. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down. Now we are going to go into 5th position. Plie and stretch. Plie and stretch. Releve. And down. Good. Next. Now you're going to repeat the whole entire same thing on this leg. Okay, so now it's a lot, but we're going to do it. So you're going to go back into your 1st position. Plie and stretch. Actually, so yeah. So you guys can pause the video and do this on the other leg. Next up, we are going to do tendu. This is a tendu. So my foot is really pointed, and then I'm going to go out. So we're going to do 5 of those, or 3 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we're going to go to the side. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to plie. So we're going to do a plie after everyone. We're going to go down me. Then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to go plie and stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plie and stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plie and stretch. And then we're going to do that on that. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, sorry. I'm going to do 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plie. That means plie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plie. Make sure to always point your feet, because this isn't it. This isn't. You want to always make sure that your tip of your foot is like that. Now we're gonna put that on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plie. Left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plie. Now we are going to do it dégagés. Now it might be a little bit hard for you to say, but I'm just going to say it. This is a dégagé. So you know how you do your tendus, how we just did them? So a dégagé is basically where you just come up off the floor a little bit. So you're going to go dégagé and step, dégagé and step. So we're going to go front. We're going to do 4 dégagés. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to go to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to go plie, stretch, and then we're going to do this way. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Dégagé. Oh, we're going to start in front. Sorry. Dégagé and step. Dégagé and step. dégagé and step, dégagé and step. This side, dégagé and step, dégagé and step, dégagé and step, dégagé and step. Back, dégagé and step, dégagé, step, dégagé and step, dégagé and step, dégagé and step. Play. Now we're going to do this part. Dégagé and step, dégagé and step. Now we're going to do this leg. Dégagé step, dégagé step, dégagé step, dégagé step, dégagé step, dégagé jump, and finish. Okay, next thing. Next thing, I'm going to give you a water break. Cheers.